Site in the early 8th century. Today WBU is fairly quiet. It occasionally is the site of volcanic earthquake storms, with 3 such events occurring in recent years, specifically in 1965, 1985 and 2006, and yet there are a few features that make Barú stand out among all of the world's volcanoes. For one, while geologic setting, every nearby nation such as Nicaragua, Costa Rica and Colombia each contain more than a half a dozen volcanoes, Panama only contains a single active volcano. Barú is seemingly isolated near the very southeastern edge of the Central American volcanic arc, with its existence being owed to fairly recent subduction of the Cocos Plate underneath the Panama microplate. But the reason why geologists around the world visit this volcano is the fact that it marks the site of the single largest volcanic landslide or debris avalanche to occur during the Holocene epoch, aka since the year 9700 BCE. This debris avalanche caused a large portion of Barú's weakened slope to collapse to the west, causing landslide debris and hummocks to eventually cover 973 square km of the landscape. This reduced Peru's height from what was originally a 4,000 m or 13,123 feet tall volcano involving 30 cubic km of material, a full 12 times larger than the debris avalanche Mount S. Helens produced in 1980. This was not the first collapse Peru produced, as sometime before 43,500 years ago an even larger collapse in the same direction occurred, covering 1156 square km. Peru has been intermittently erupting for approximately 500,000 years, during which time it has constructed a 16 km wide volcano out of overlapping layers of lava and ash. Most of these eruptions involved andesite lava and erupted via what is known as a Moroi-type volcano eruption. In other words, viscous lavadom would form on its summits, some of which would overlap each other, with the steepest portions of S-LAMs occasionally tumbling down slope, giving way to Pyak caustic flows depending on the source. In recent eruptions, Barú has erupted between 6 and 10 times during the Holocene, with the largest eruption likely generating a 16 km high eruption column in 700 CE, leading to the emplacement of more than a meter thick of ash in some areas, as in a V4 explosive eruption, while a future eruption of Barú is almost certain. It, statistically speaking, is likely to occur several centuries from now due to the landslide scarps from Barú's 2 major debris avalanches. The most significant hazards, aka pyrotic flow, are most likely to be guided towards the west-southwest, towards around the city of Volcán. However, almost the entire region, including to its east, has experienced LAR during Barú lifespan, indicating another potential risk. As a final note, I would like to thank this channel's patrons on Patreon and channel members on